Are you wasting money every single day without realizing it? Most people are. In this video, I'll show you 5 everyday things that are draining your wallet fast. Once you stop spending on these, you'll have more money left over for savings, investments, or even things you truly enjoy. Let's get straight into it. Point 1. Expensive coffee runs. First, daily coffee shop runs. Buying coffee every morning sounds small, but it adds up. Let's say you spend $5 every workday. That's $25 a week and over $1,200 a year. Making coffee at home costs a fraction of that. Invest in a good coffee maker and you'll save hundreds without giving up your caffeine fix. Point 2. Unused subscriptions. Second, unused subscriptions. Netflix, Spotify, gym memberships, streaming services. Many people pay monthly for things they don't use often. Go through your bank statement today. Cancel the subscriptions you haven't used in the last 30 days. That's instant money back in your pocket. Point 3. Eating out too often. Third, eating out too often. Ordering food or eating at restaurants is convenient but expensive. Cooking at home saves more than half the cost. Even prepping meals twice a week will cut your food bill significantly. You don't need to stop eating out completely, just reduce the frequency. Point 4. Branded bottled water. Fourth, bottled water. Buying branded bottled water daily seems cheap but is a silent money drainer. At $1.50 a bottle, you're spending almost $550 a year. Instead, get a reusable bottle and a water filter. This one simple switch saves you money and helps the environment. Point 5. Impulse purchases. Fifth, impulse buys. Quick snacks at checkout, random items from online stores, or things you saw in an ad. These are small but dangerous. To stop this, create a 24-hour rule. If you see something you want, wait one full day before buying it. You'll be surprised how often you lose interest and keep your money. So those are 5 everyday things draining your wallet: coffee runs, unused subscriptions, eating out too often, bottled water, and impulse purchases. Cut them out, and you'll instantly see more money staying in your account. Which of these do you waste the most money on? Comment below, I want to know. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Thanks for watching.